Hello everyone, my name is Anonymous something and I just heard some fucking weird noise or something. That noise is super familiar. I don't know, I don't want to jinx it, but the sound, it's very familiar. It reminds me of something. Someone, or more specifically something. It's like, I don't know, man, but I'm not sure if fucking Necro Shadow is. I'm not sure if, what's his name? Necro Shadow. Yeah, that's right, Necro Shadow. I'm not sure if this fucking Necro Shadow is, involved in this shit, but very, very weird. Like, the sound, it's very familiar. There it goes again. Do you guys know what this means? Do you guys recognize this sound? There it goes again. I don't want to jinx it, but I think for whatever fucking reason, whatever that thing is, it's back and it's fucking making its presence known. It's making itself fucking, it's like the thing wants to notice me. I'll update you guys very soon. This is some fucking weird shit, man. Like, fucking Halloween is over and shit, but the ghosts are gone. Everyone is, like, all the ghosts, all the spirits are gone. Ever since the death of these ghosts, this fucking weird sound just fucking came out of nowhere. Very weird. I'll get to the bottom of this.